Hello everyone, welcome to this quick Getting Started guide for the Domain for Sale Pro plugin. In this video, I will show you how this powerful WordPress plugin helps you list, showcase, and safely sell your domain names directly from your website. First, let's take a look at the actual output generated by the plugin. The Domain for Sale Pro plugin allows you to create beautiful domain landing pages designed specifically to convert buyers. Here are several examples. In this example, the domain is listed with a fixed price offer option. The domain will set sail to sell it with a fixed price, and visitors can instantly show their interest by filling the offer form. Here, we have a Receive Offer landing page. Instead of buying immediately, visitors can submit their offer for the domain. This is useful when you want to negotiate the price with potential buyers. This layout shows how the plugin integrates with escrow.com. Escrow provides a safe and trusted transaction process between buyer and seller. The plugin automatically connects the purchase flow to the escrow transaction system. In this layout, visitors can choose between Buy Now or Make an Offer. Both options are organized inside a tab interface, giving buyers flexibility. Another template layout allows you to showcase additional domains in an accordion section. When a visitor clicks the plus icon, a pop-up form appears where they can submit an offer or purchase the domain. This is great when you want to promote related domains on the same page. The plugin also allows you to showcase multiple domains in listing pages. You can display domains in a grid layout or a list layout. This allows visitors to browse multiple domains you have available for sale. Now let's create our first domain listing. After installing the plugin, you will see a new menu called Domain for Sale inside your WordPress dashboard. Click All Domains to see the domains currently available for sale. To add a new one, click Add New. First, we will add the title. In this example, we will use YouTube. Next, choose a template layout. You can select either Layout 1 or Layout 2. These templates determine how your domain page will appear. Now, we will enter the domain name, youtube.com.sg. Next, upload the domain logo. Now, select the form type. In this example, we will choose Both Inside tab. This allows visitors to either make an offer or purchase the domain directly. For offer type, we will select Receive Offers. Now we will define the pricing. Starting price, $100. Sale price, $49,999. Before publishing, you can click Show Preview. This allows you to instantly see how your domain landing page will appear to visitors. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your domain landing page is now live. Now, let's explore how you can display the domain page. Inside the Content Options tab, you will find several powerful display methods. You can choose to replace the entire website theme with the domain page, replace a specific page, replace multiple pages, or display the landing page anywhere using a shortcode. The Replace option is especially useful when the domain itself is the website being sold. For example, if you point the domain to your WordPress site, the landing page will completely replace the theme. Alternatively, you can use the Shortcode option. This allows you to display the landing page inside any page or post. You can also customize text content, styling, and typography, all directly from the domain configuration panel. If you have many domains to list, the plugin makes this easy. Inside All Domains, you can simply click Duplicate. This instantly copies the entire domain configuration. Then you only need to update the domain name and details. This saves a lot of time when managing large domain portfolios. Next, let's create a domain listing page. Go to Domain Listing and click Add New. Enter a title, for example, Grid. By default, the listing will show all domains you created, but you can also include specific domains or exclude certain domains. You can also control order of domains, limit of domains displayed, and display options like pagination. If pagination is enabled, you can configure domains per page. After configuring everything, click Show Preview, then click Publish. The plugin will generate a shortcode. Simply paste this shortcode into any page or post. Your domain landing page will instantly appear. Now let's see how the offer system works. When a visitor submits an offer from the landing page, it appears inside the Offers dashboard. Here you can see name, email, phone number, offer amount, and the message submitted by the buyer. The Offers dashboard includes powerful filtering tools. You can filter offers by email verification status, domain name, domain extension, date range, or search keyword. You can also sort columns and navigate through pages using pagination. All offers can also be exported as a CSV file. When a buyer submits an offer, the admin receives a notification email. The buyer also receives a confirmation email. If email verification is enabled, the buyer must verify their email before the offer is confirmed. Once verified, the offer will appear as verified in the admin dashboard. If you accept an offer, you can send the buyer an invitation to purchase the domain. The buyer will receive a secure purchase link. From there, they can complete the transaction using escrow.com. The plugin also includes a transactions dashboard. Here you can monitor all escrow transactions connected to your domain sales. You can see transaction ID, domain name, amount, and transaction status. These transactions are synced from escrow.com, ensuring a secure and transparent process. Of course, the full transaction details are also available in your escrow.com account. Now let's briefly review the plugin settings. Here you can configure currency, single domain slug, and options to hide the theme header and footer on landing pages. Here, you can customize form labels, field placeholders, and enable reCAPTCHA to prevent spam submissions. You can configure admin notification emails, bidder confirmation emails, and email verification messages. This section allows you to customize the messages shown to users after submitting forms. Here, you can configure the escrow.com integration. You can also customize the payment form and purchase invitation notifications. Advanced users can add custom CSS and JavaScript for additional customization. You can manage backups and activate your plugin license here. Finally, inside the Tools menu, you will find Import and Export options. This allows you to easily migrate domains, offers, and plugin configurations. And that's it! The Domain for Sale Pro plugin provides everything you need to showcase, manage, and securely sell your domain names directly from WordPress. With powerful landing pages, listing layouts, offer management, and escrow.com integration, it gives domain investors a complete solution for selling domains online. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore the plugin and start listing your domains today. Thanks for watching!